The Scudo Aubrey Davos oak wall-hung tall boy unit, 1,200 mm, is a perfect addition to transform your bathroom. The wall-hung design of this tall boy unit not only enhances the visual appeal of your bathroom, but also helps free up precious floor space, giving your bathroom a neat and tidy appearance. This unit comes fully assembled and ready to be hung on the wall. The unit's two doors feature soft close hinges that ensure a smooth, silent closure, adding to the overall convenience of the unit. The Scudo Aubrey Davos oak wall-hung tall boy unit, 1,200 mm, is designed with an internal shelf behind each soft-close door to provide storage for all your bathroom essentials. What's more, this versatile unit can be hung in either direction, giving you the power to choose whether the doors hinge on the left or right edge, depending on your bathroom furniture layout. If you want to elevate your bathroom's style and functionality, the Scudo Aubrey Davos oak wall-hung tall boy unit, 1,200 mm, is an excellent choice. Rediscover your love for your bathroom with this sophisticated and practical unit. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo bathroom furniture range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.